Welcome. We're going to take a stroll down memory lane in Cancun, Mexico. I was so excited about this place. I woke up at like 5 a.m. Here we are. Almost caught the sunrise. When I arrived at this hotel, a lot of the staff members said I came in the right time because they said that around this time of the year, this whole beach would be just covered in seagrass and seaweed and all that green stuff cluttering the beaches. But man, the weather was fine and the beaches were clean. When the place finally opened up, went to go grab a quick brekkie by the poolside with a beautiful view. Man, I miss this place. This place was very nice, incredibly beautiful. I stayed at the Grand Fiesta Americana Cancun. I came during the off season and it is the best time to be here because I have the whole place all to myself. The sun finally came out, so I went back to my hotel room and boy, this place is beautiful. Sun's out, fun's out. So I put on my swimming trunks and I was ready to rock and roll. You guys, this place had 4 gigantic pools with waterfalls and fountains. And not only that, they had 2 small pools as well. So that's 6 pools in a resort, man. That's crazy. 6 pools, 3 poolside bars, and just this place is incredible. You gotta come here. You know I gotta go to the ocean too, man. Gotta do it. Gotta go take a little dippity dip dip. So one morning, early in the morning, I was just out on my balcony enjoying the scene and the nature and the breeze, the smell, everything, right? And I see this poor guy on the beach just combing it, cleaning it, taking out trash and the sea debris and seaweed and the kelp and all that stuff. They do this every morning, man. That's why the beaches, the white sands, it's immaculate. I love that. I love that attention to detail. You are getting what you paid for here. I love my water activities, so here I am, attempting to scuba dive. I couldn't find a company that will actually let you scuba dive, so this was the next best thing. You would go kind of snorkeling diving, I suppose you call it, and you get this long little tube fed, feeding oxygen to you. Yeah. Meow meow. Still pretty cool. So I was so excited about diving and seeing the wildlife in the ocean, and my GoPro decided to overheat and turn itself off. Oh joy! I was thinking, oh man, I'm gonna get so many cool footages, and there's gonna be fish and sea turtles and sea dragons and sea monsters. It's gonna be fantastic. And I didn't get anything. Damn it. Oh well. You see this moment here? This is when I thought I was turning off the camera, not knowing that the camera already automatically shut itself off, and all I did was turn it back on. So this is the footage that I inadvertently captured thinking the camera was turned off. Damn it. Well, at the very least, I captured some nice views of the weather, the skies, and the surface of the ocean. It was a beautiful day. And you know what? I still had a blast. So it was all right. Hopefully, in the next video, I would have some amazing scuba diving footage for y'all. We'll see how it goes. So keep an eye out for that. So in summary, if you guys are going to go to Cancun, you want to go to an all-inclusive resort, you want to go to a 5-star hotel, this is the place to be. You gotta come here. It has its own private lagoon and everything. It was beautiful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.